If you're suffering from stress, anxiety, or chronic pain and want to get a medical marijuana recommendation in Ohio, then My MMJ Doctor is here to make your evaluation procedure simple, secure, and completely online. Head over to mymmjdoctor.com and select Ohio as your state. Once you proceed further, enter your name, email address, and phone number. Next, choose your visit type and pick a date and time that works best for you. Click Confirm to receive an appointment summary immediately. After that, enter your payment details to book an appointment, then verify your identity by providing your ID number and a photo ID. Once that is done, fill in your personal details, such as your address, birth date, height, and weight, followed by your medical history, and upload any relevant medical documents. It helps our licensed doctors get a clearer picture of your needs. A pop-up then appears to confirm your health record. Give it a quick digital signature to finalize your information. Once your form is submitted, we'll schedule a quick video consultation with an Ohio licensed doctor. Most consultations are brief, during which the doctor discusses your condition to determine your eligibility. If you are clinically approved, the physician enters your recommendation into the Ohio Medical Marijuana Patient and Caregiver Registry. Once registered, patients may legally purchase medical marijuana from licensed Ohio dispensaries. Take the next step with mymmjdoctor.com to get the right support and guidance through licensed medical marijuana doctors so that your path towards relief feels easy and stress-free.